I probably have thousands and thousands of files in my drive, some of which were created by me, some of which were not. And it can get very hard to find things in your drive. So this video is just going to show you a few quick things you can do to find different documents. You notice that I'm pretty organized. I like to have folders and then things within folders, and there are a few things you can do with folders to make them easier to use, such as right clicking on them and changing the color of them. I know I have a lot of colleagues who use that to help them find which is which. Another cool thing you can do when you right click on things is you can star them. Now you'll notice over on the left hand side there are a few different things besides just my drive. I can go to my drive and see all my folders. I can also just see things that are shared with me. If I click on shared with me, it shows me everything that has been shared with me for, as you keep scrolling, for forever and ever and ever and ever, and it tells me who shared that with me. This is a way that you can access any of these documents. You click on them and you can open them up. Photos will let you see your photos if you're using Google Photos. Recent is one that's pretty awesome. It shows you recently edited documents and files, so I can see all the things that had been recently edited by myself or by anyone else, as long as it's something that's in my drive. The other thing that I've only recently started using and don't know why I didn't use it before is starred. You can star certain files, and that allows them to show up in your starred section, and that way you don't need to worry about trying to find them. So I have this Tuesday, May 31st starred, and I actually don't need it anymore. So I'm going to remove the star, and it doesn't show up. Doesn't mean the document isn't there anymore. It just means this is my favorites. These are the things that I need to find right away. So if I go into my drive and maybe I want to star this folder, right click on it, add star, and that means that that folder will show up in my starred section. So there's that Google folder right there. Another cool thing that you can do to find documents is you can just search. So if you look up at the top, you can search for a particular title of something. So I'm going to search for list. Oh, and it shows everything that I had with a list. You can, if you click enter, it will populate your main window screen with anything that has that search criteria in it. Something that's kind of cool is it actually searches within the files too, which is handy if you can't remember what it was called. You can notice that you can search just certain file types. And there are also some more search tools you can use that allows you to get to more types than were shown initially. It allows you to find some dates. Custom date is kind of interesting. You can do it between certain dates. You can type in keywords for the file name. You can type in keywords for the file itself. You can search based on owner, and you can even do specific person. That allows you to type in a specific editor, and as well as shared with, things that were shared with others, and the location as to where it is, if it's in a starred or if it's anywhere. And this is really, really handy. Of course, Google would have good search tools in their drive, but it's something that not a lot of people use, but it does save a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of files in your drive. One last thing I want to show you for searching for things is the information or the view details. You click on that little icon, it allows you to see recent activity. So if you know that it's something that's been used recently, you can go and find that document or item. And if you click on it, it will open it right away. So I can see opening up my bookmarks document that I edited. And I don't even have to find that within my drive. And the last but not least is I have my drive set up to show you as lists, but you can also change it to grid view. Grid view allows you to see the files, and it allows you to see them in a preview sort of thumbnail example. This is helpful for if you know what it looks like, but you don't know what it was called. You can go, oh yeah, I wanted the thing where I made the triangles, and you can open it up from there. So those are just a few different tips for searching for files in your drive.